Yeah. You get it like 20 days from today. Be done before 25th.
PWDs first, when accessing to healthcare, they face many challenges, especially those who are in wheelchair. The ramps are not there, accessible ramps, toilets, washrooms are not accessible. Even our PWDs who are deaf.
I want to talk about employment. There is a huge gap for persons with disability in terms of employment in national government and also in county government. We people with disability, we are well learned, we have knowledge, we have skills. Our request is only one, the 5%.
Katika Nandi County tuko na tenders wako, serikali ya Nandi County wako na tenders mingi ya PWDs, lakini ni ile tu hali wametuweka kando kidogo, so inabidi tutengee tenders ili tusaidie kama walemavu ya Nandi County, kwa sababu unazapata kwamba tuko na watu ambao wameregister makampuni ambaye they are supposed to be getting the tenders.